back to another video. It's your girl Nisha. So as you guys see the title of this video, this is going to be all high-end products only. My favorite, just my favorite. And if you're new here and you watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Love drugstore products. For certain things, I would just prefer high-end. Without further ado, we're just going to get right into this video. Smashbox photo finish primer. So I'm using all high-end products. So for foundation today, I'm going in with the Makeup Forever HD foundation.
Tell me how you feel, mama. Tell me what you see. A certified dime piece, third Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. With both back tips, and you say you're in the mood. All I need is about a...
So for concealer today, I'm going in with my Tarte shade. And I'm also going in with my Born This Way. These is, like I told you in my last video, it's my favorite concealer. They're full coverage, super creamy. I love them. These is my to-goes. Like I said, only love to use. Throughout this video, some of the stuff will already be done because I'm multitasking. I'm posting on my TikTok, also my Facebook Reels and my Instagram Reels. Every time I do a YouTube video, I like to post on every platform. So the girls that get it, get it. This brush is so good for bronzing. I love it. Well, when I place my cream bronzer on. I'm using my Juvia's Place foundation stick, and Juvia's Place is a high-end product. It's not a drugstore product. I forgot to mention that in my last video because I literally edited that video super quick and I didn't notice it until today. In all of these products that I'm mentioning and that I'm using, I use this in my everyday makeup look. I use this every time I do my makeup. These is like my favorite products to use.
1-3, 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. With both back tips, and you say you're in the mood. All I need is about an hour. Better yet, maybe 2. Let me take you out here. Ferrari switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion through the sex all in the atmosphere. I'm gonna let you pay safe so he can make it clear. Your drink. I'ma take it home with me. I got money in the bank. Think about that. I be in the great Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like.
Have you
cream blush. Today I'm going in with the My Rare Beauty. This so pigmented, all you need is like a dot. Like a small dot. So now I'm just gonna blend out my concealer.
Got your legs spread all over the bed, hands clenched in the sheets, hair wild as hell. I know the only thing on your mind is sex and me, girl. I can feel your temperature rising. You should feel my nature too.
Powder today, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury. You guys know this is my favorite. This is my baby. I need to upgrade and get me the bigger one. The bigger one costs $50. But this powder is so good. I live by it. Live by it. I'm putting you me said, babe, don't make too much noise. There's a lot of people that live around here. Emotions running high, my hands planted on your thighs. You feel me? I love this little small brush that I had got from Real Techniques. It's similar to like the buffer brush that I use to bronze my face, but it's like a smaller one. Like, I love this. My fave powder, like I literally use this every time I do my makeup, every time. I was using a Huda Beauty, but it's just, I don't know, way different formula in here because honey, like my under eye just be looking just extra snatched, like, and I feel like it's just that perfect shade for my skin tone. I think that's why like I really prefer this. But I still love the Huda Beauty, but I haven't been using it. This is literally my to-go powder. Y'all better go get this. It's worth the hype. It's worth the money.
I got your legs spread all over the bed, hands clenched in the sheets, hair wild as hell. I know the only thing on your mind is sex and me, girl. I can feel your temperature rising. You should feel my nature too.
Like, nailed it.
You only came to do we make love on my make good love on my we make love on my we really make love. Another love we make love on my
I just love bronze and it just brings more color, that color to the skin.
I'm doing makeup, quit my 9 to 5 and went out on faith. So this is just a sign for you to keep going. Yeah, to just keep going and don't stop.
Just running high, my hands planted on your thighs. You feel me going up and down and around and around and around.
I like put that to sit so it can give me that sharp look more focused in the mirror. I had did my waterline off camera and put this orange neon. It's so cute. It's so pigmented. Like, I like it. I'm feeling it. So now we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place blush, and you guys know I'm gonna use that orange. I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place other palette, and I'm gonna use that orange eyeshadow on top because y'all, this is so freaking cute. So when I don't feel like doing clear cut crease, I'm gonna just add just one color. This is for content. Literally, this is for content. I gotta, if I don't do nothing, I have to make content. I'm literally trying to post twice a week. I'm literally trying to be consistent. This is what I want to do, so I just gotta keep going. Gotta keep going. Skin finish with my Sephora. I'm gonna use both of them. Y'all, my face is beat today. What a weird. Some bronzer on my nose. So how y'all like this look so far? Well, I'm literally done. All I gotta do is my highlight and then my lips. Already know, going in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. This locks your makeup in, y'all. I love this setting spray so much, because when it be extra wet, that's how you know everything can be in place and your makeup do not move. So spray, spray, spray. Extra beat today, like Pete. I'm literally looking in my mirror and it looks so filtered. Like, yesterday I did love my butt. It's like I said, high-end only for me. That's my preference, especially when you get the more into makeup. Y'all will see. Went in with my MAC, my favorite. Da, da, da. I ain't really hit to play. That song is in my head.
I ain't really here to play no game.
I love highlight, but I don't put too much. Like, that's it. Because like for my cheeks, I literally only put like a little bit. I know I'm late, but have y'all watched that show, How to Way to Get with the Murder? Oh my god, like I'm on the last season. That show is so good. Because you know, a lot of people always talk about a show, you be like, probably ain't even know all that good. Kept talking about this show, so I was like, I know I'm late, but let me tune in. And that show is so good. Let's do the lips and then we'll be officially done. So for lip, I had went in with my Anastasia lip pencil, and I also went in with my MAC lipstick. This is the finished look. This look came out so pretty. I just loving the white waterline, and I love the neon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at shebeyond_bad. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok at shebeyond_bad. I definitely be posting my makeup videos, and you follow me on that. And you can also add me on Facebook at Anisha Allen. I'll be posting all my reels on Instagram now and on my Facebook. I have another page. Make sure you guys follow that page at Exotic Looks by Nisha, because the name is perfect for me. Linked in my description box. So let's connect, let's be friends. I want more content friends. I cannot stress that enough. They like to get cute, take pictures, make content, we edit together, we talk about what's gonna be next. I need more friends like that. I only got a couple, but I need more. I need more girls that's into the same stuff as me. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.